Gde ste, braćo moja? Evo nas u GTA San Andreasu, epizoda 2, buraz. Zamisli. Ok. Moram napunim health, brate. Gle sad ovo. To je to. Što je lepa boja, brate. Sad ću napunim health ovde. Ovako. Staneš, buraz, i izađeš. Profi priča, brate. Evo ga. Malo jebe grafika, brate, a šta mu radim, brate. To je to. To je to, buraz. Let's go back to the hood. Sad, idemo na misiju, okej.
Watch out, fool. Come on, fat boy. Watch this, fat boy. Look at. Look who's here. It's running man. What, you think you back on the set?
I told you that, bro.
Your word don't mean shit around here.
Come on, man. Give me a break.
We gotta go hit up the hood.
Hey, CJ.
Let them know you back on the set. The Johnson brothers is rolling again. Take this paint and go hit shit up. Start with our own set first.
Later on, we spread out, take the whole hood back.
You already spreading out, fat man. Let's play. Let's see what you got, pork chop. Hey, wait up.
Nah, thought you hang with your brother, huh?
Oh, ease up, little man. Come on. It's been difficult. You want to drive?
Yeah, for sure.
Da, naravno, brate, CJ mora uvijek da vozi, buraz. Kad CJ nije vozio, brate. Jebali mu kevu, brate, s vožnjom, ono. Dobro, nisu na drugi kraj sveta stavili da mora se vozi, brate. Dobro. Ovdje shortcut. Ok, ovdje je negde. Tu je negde, brate. To je to. To je to, buraz. A ne znam tu kolica. Kolica, ca.
Come on, let's cruise in the baller's territory.
Let's go. Mogu sam, brate, i nema veze, isti kurac. Idemo vuda. Ok. Gle kako je do jaja i šine ovdje dole se kao natopile kao s ovim kurcem, snegom. Au, druže. Ok. Brzo. Ok, ovo je bilo baš brzo. Ovdje je još jedan shortcut. Samo jump. To je to. Beži, bre, tamo, druže. Si lud. Ok. Levo, desno. Nema staminu. Ne mogu da skočim tamo. Sada preskačem. Lakše mi je ovako. Iskreno. Jer tamo može duže potraje nego ovdje, brate. Evo ga, to je to. Jump. To je to. Evo me ulazim, buraz. To je to, idemo nazad u grove strete. Let's go. Oh, fuck. Nisam vidio, brate, ovo sranje. Ovdje još jedan shortcut. Ne. To je to, bre, to je to. Profi. I ubili jednog našeg jer odvalili ogradu. Profi. I nismo stali u marker. Profi. Nema šta, brate.
Yeah, it all comes back.
How you doing on the Fetty?
I'm kind of shocked, you know. Crash took all my paper, man. Left me with number small change.
Here, get yourself a bit.
Što drži uzi, brate. Nema ga ni.
I'll catch up with you.
Aj, brate. $200 i on $400. 410. Ok. Auto je uništen. Koga jebe. Idemo mi na sljedeću misiju.
Hey, you gotta keep it real, man.
Man, nobody give a shit about the hood.
I do.
All they do is sell gay and ruin the place. No crack ever made a gang type.
I don't know, man.
What's up, y'all?
What's up, CJ? What's crack? Man, all they care about is smoking and money.
can't knock a homie's hustle, sweet.
Them marks ain't soldiers. They idiots trying to be businessmen.
Yeah, but they down with us, man.
All they down with is money. CJ, go down there and show these fools you mean business. These chumps from the ballers are sweating the homies. Go put pressure on them. Let's do it.
We've been putting time in the hood, but we gotta get the homies back together. Like the old days.
Yeah, you right. You and Ryder go handle your business. Man, they're slang to their own mama. They don't care about nothing.
You're naive, my friend. We gotta keep our focus.
We need some backup. You seen Beat Up?
But him and the homeboy Bear, they good to have on our side.
Oh, Big Bear? Yeah, them bass slangers gonna be sorry now.
Hey, Beat Up is only a couple of blocks away.
Idemo do njega, buraz.
Shit, you try to get any of these crackheads to help you out.
Da im jebemo keve, brate.
One of the families ain't up on it.
Apart from Smoke, Sweet, and
Smoke,
you know yours
Sweet.
truly. Rose Street don't bang no more.
Yeah, just get blown.
Ok,
Show.
idemo kod Beat Upa.
Hey, slow down, fool. You don't even know which store it is.
Whatever, man. This it?
Yeah, this it right here.
Open up! You sure he still live here?
Fool, I told you this it.
Open up!
Who the fuck is it? CJ, the fuck you want? Get the fuck out of here.
Wait, hold up, man. What happened to for life, nigga?
The only thing that matters is the hood, homie. But you'll never understand what getting this money is like. You know what, man? Get the fuck out of here before you be laying on your back. Big Bear, come check this fool.
Hey, Bear? Big Bear, that's you? Hey, you still from the hood, homie, or
Nah,
what?
the only thing Bear give a fuck about is smoking and keeping my house clean. Ain't that right, Big Bear?
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah, what?
Hell yeah, sir.
Now go make that motherfucking toilet spark.
No, man.
Man. Bear, come on.
Everyone likes to party sometimes, CJ. I'll see you around.
Stay the fuck from round here, punk.
Hey, nigga, fuck you.
This shit's fucked up.
I see what you mean now, man. If Crack can do that to Big Bear, turn him into a bass slave, the average motherfucker ain't got a chance.
Damn dope fiends and drug addicts everywhere in the city. Piss me off.
Look like it's up to us then.
Let's just cruise through the hood.
Da. Od Biga i Bera nema ništa, buraz. Idemo da isprebijemo Lerdije, brate. Gle sad ovo. Au, druže, da se ispoji iz auta, kako si retardiran, brate. Uđi sad u auto, brate. Vidi ga. Alo. Kakav degenerik, brate. Uđi u kola. Jebate. Okej, ovi su vamo. Da preskočiš kad scenu, brate, ovdje ima fora. Hoću da vam pokažem. Ovako, brate. Samo ga pucneš ga u vuglicu, brate, i to je to.
Man, I know this cat. He a punk used to run with a front yard baller OG from Idlewood. I know his place. It's just across the tracks there. Let's check it out.
Hey, ain't that front yard turf?
Man, are you a buster?
Nah, I'm down, homie.
Hey, grab hold of that bat over there.
Okej, brate, evo, uzimam je. Okej, idemo nazad u kola, brate. Aj, buraz. Ajmo. Jeba, mame. To je to.
Serious mission now.
Man, don't sweat it, homie. Everybody in the hood know ballers are pussies.
Baš nešto dobar sa Hilton.
No pussies, Rose
Ali
Street
dobro.
OGs come do damage.
Vidi ga, batjeca. Gle sad ovo, buraz. Šta, going down, dođi vamo. Ovo je sleđa. Dođi vamo. Gle šta im radi. 2 na 1, buraz. Lezi dole. To je to. Degenerici. Dođite vamo. Ti, lezi dole. Jebe mi ti, sunce ti jebe. Ti. Isto. Dalje, nema. Buraz ge, fuck out. Ti kučko isto. Šta radiš tu?
Now ballers know Grove Street families on their way back up.
To je to, buraz. Sve je a ti trčiš tamo. Ovaj rajder je, brate, ubiće me.
For sure, homie. And what's more,
Sad smo napravili frkicu. Au, buraz. Sad smo napravili frkicu, znači ono... Će vidimo, brate, kako će to da se odvije. To je to, drift, brate, profi. Iskreno.
Maybe these fools should be up for some real banging.
Yeah, Grove gonna get back on his feet now, for sure though.
Later, homie.
To je to, buraz, to je to. Još jedna misija uspešno pređena. Ok, idem da uzmem, brate, metke gore. To. Ajde, buraz. Popni se. To je to, to je to. Au, brate, ne mogu. Ali imam više metaka. Ok. Šta hoće sad ovaj, buraz?
Oh, the bitch. What the hell you want?
Hey, show me some respect, boy.
Go fuck yourself. You just a bitch.
You watch your
Koji kralj?
Now listen, I've got a message from Officer Tenpenny. Don't try and leave town. That would be a big mistake. You hear me? We're watching you.
Whatever you say, bitch.
On se još kao složio s tim kao. Kako god si rekao, kao boli me kurac, kao najjači si ti. Ok, mislim da je bilo to što se tiče ove epizode. Vi ostavite like, sub i share. I video sam da se pisali dole u komentarima za onog Mercedesa. Ubacit ću ga u sljedećoj epizodi. U ovoj nisam mogao, jebi ga. U sljedećoj ću da ubacim, tako da to je to. Ostavite like i subscribeujte se i vidimo se u sljedećoj epizodi. Poz.